Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready? Start. Supreme Court held that a woman cannot be held liable for offense of gang rape under section 376 within bracket 2 within bracket G of Indian Penal Code, comma 1860 full stop. The judgment was delivered by a 2 hyphen judge bench consisting of Justice Arijit Pasyat and Justice S.H. Kapadia full stop. The prosecutrix lodged a complaint alleging that she was returning home by the Utkal Express after attending a sports meet full stop. On reaching Sagar railway station, comma, she was approached by Bhanu Pratap Patel, comma, who is the husband of the present appellant, full stop. Bhanu Pratap Patel told the prosecutrix that her father had sent him to pick her up from the station full stop. As the prosecutrix was suffering from fever, she trusted him and accompanied him to his house full stop. At his house, comma, Bhanu Pratap Patel committed rape on the prosecutrix full stop. During the act, comma, the appellant bracket wife of the accused bracket close arrived at the scene full stop. The prosecutrix pleaded with the appellant to help her, but instead the appellant slapped her, shut the door, and left the place of incident full stop. Based on the complaint, comma, an investigation was conducted and a charge sheet was filed. Full stop. Bhanu Pratap Patel was charged under sections 323 bracket voluntarily causing hurt bracket close and 376 within bracket rape of the Indian Penal Code, comma 1860 within bracket IPC full stop. The appellant was charged under sections 323 and 376 within bracket 2 within bracket G of the IPC, the latter pertaining to gang rape full stop. The appellant challenged the framing of the charge under section 376 within bracket 2 within bracket G IPC before the High Court, arguing that a woman cannot be charged with rape full stop. Stanza. The High Court held that although a woman cannot herself commit rape, comma, she can be charged under explanation 1 to section 376 within bracket 2 IPC if she facilitates gang rape full stop. The appellant's counsel argued that explanation 1 to section 376 within bracket 2 IPC was inapplicable and a woman cannot be convicted for gang rape full stop. The state, comma, supporting the High Court's view, comma, additionally submitted that even if section 376 within bracket 2 within bracket G is not applicable, comma, the appellant can be charged for abatement full stop. Section 375 of the IPC makes it clear that rape can only be committed by a man, comma, as it specifically outlines circumstances in which a man may be said to commit rape full stop. Section 376 within bracket 2 within bracket G IPC provides for enhanced punishment in cases of gang rape, comma, stating that whoever commits gang rape shall be punished full stop. The explanation to section 376 within bracket 2 clarifies that all persons acting in furtherance of a common intention to rape are deemed to have committed gang rape, even if only one of them actually committed the physical act, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी एग्जैक्ट 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।